Okay, so this project is basically looking at biodiversity data, information on plants, animals, and fungi. Now, a whole range of different stakeholders need information on biodiversity. Governments need to take decisions about how to manage their resources. Conservation agencies need to know what species they need to conserve, and businesses need to know how their efforts at sustainability are working. But many of those stakeholders don't find easy access to the data they need. So this project is looking more deeply at what those data needs are, trying to understand the blockages to the access to data, and then trying to work out some solutions that meet those user needs.
And what are the methods that you are going to use to find this out?
So we're going to use a whole range of different methods. We're going to do at the global level, we'll do literature reviews, we'll do interviews, we'll do surveys to really get down and understand what people's needs are. But then just so that we can really unpack what it means in different places, we will then do deep dives into 3 countries, into Colombia, into Ghana, and into Switzerland. And again, a number of the partners in the project were chosen specifically for that, so that we could dive deeply into those countries' needs.
And by the end of the project, what do you hope to have achieved?
So at the end of the project, we really hope that we much better understand the enabling conditions that are necessary to allow people to access the data on biodiversity they need to make decisions. And as well as understanding those factors, we hope very much to find some solutions so that people can get the data they need.